this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can take back, I can stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough.
This is to steam the veggies. So give it a try. Belongs there. If you want to steam something, you can put this in like this. Let's see. So that the water goes in here and the veggies are going to stay here and don't get soggy. Oh, perfect. Oh, it's hot.
Susa uzoyireleasa nini le?
After, ushiye nje wathi after.
Uzoyireleasa nini?
You think izalo?
Oh, ngimaphandle nento zami. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the coffee that I need. Did you put milk?
Oh, I must ask if we can get a picture. We want it through the window, overlooking.
Oh,
me,
man.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, love it.
I put the whole milk.
Which one did you have?
Which one?
Flavor. Why?
I'm just on the air. I'm stressed. See, according to me, on the 28th, the books got published. The books got redistributed. So
How?
I will tell you. Yeah, talk again there.
Because if you get everywhere, oh, wool is not unknown. Awesome.
Alright.
From the builders are also finished with builders, don't they, man?
Hey. Hey guys, so we are at the kitchen studios. We are just shooting some content, like as a kitchen studio in Mhlanga. It is stunning. It is stunning. It's like we're choosing our kitchen all over again, but yeah, it's done. It's done. We're happy with what we have, but I'm just seeing like some new things, and I'm like, wow, but yeah, we're happy with what we have, but I'm just showing you guys around with amakhishimahle guys la ngaphandle. So yeah, come along.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Hey, save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Save yourself. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking anxiety. Can't live here no more. No more. I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save you, baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save you, baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself.
These ones are also nice. Oh, I've never had this before.
See.
These look cute.
Someone else put it in search.
How nice. Stunning. Yeah. $2.79. She believed she could, so she did. you. Go. Hello, gorgeous. They're very nice. Let me see. A nice salad in that. Rib is so nice. Yes, don't do it.
These are also nice. The soup things.
Hey, one now. That's cute. Stunning. Malin. 6 something.
This one?
No. Hey guys, just got back from the shops. I just wanted to show you guys what we got. We just went to Woolies, Pep, and At Home. Look at Siyabonga. Cute things for the kitchen. So we got some juice at Woolies as always, 3 for 80 rand. We got orange and mango and tropical splash. Mixed berries because siyazithanda berries. And then we are doing a campaign, but we're not cooking. We're lazy to cook. So we just got these you know these finger snacks from Woolies. This is the spring rolls. That's how it to be, Malin. 70 rand or something. And then fricadelles. Fricadelles lava. And we also got some wings. These are our faves, but we're just gonna add them in the. So I add the wing. What is this thing called? We'd like to put them in a sauce and then see if I go microwave. And then I want to try the cucumber salad. So I bought some cucumbers, trout ribbon. Yes, they are going to name guys. The salad, some trout. I got some cream cheese. And then everything bagel sprinkle. I've been seeing a lot of people post about this lettuce spice, but I never got the chance to get it. So I'm gonna put it kwi saladik, and then we'll see. And then some baby red onion. That was it. Woolies. Oh, and then we got like a cloth because it's burning at it's like it's a microfiber cloth, but it's not. It's about a non-abrasive smooth side for wiping surface, and then a soft side for buffing and polishing. So I'm guessing this is the buffing and polishing side, and then smooth for wiping surface, clean, laying up. So we just wanted to try that, and then we went to a pet home. I wanted a jar to put in what is this thing called? Pods for the dishwasher. So I got this for 32 rand actually, like such a nice big jar. And then it's gonna go into the cupboard. And then I got a snack jar. No, snack plate. That's what we call them. And then how cute is this? Small chips, some biltong, some biscuits, some chocolate here, and then it's like a cute platter. Nice, I love it. And then at Woolies also got some magazines. So he just bought these for some inspo, homeowner, and House and Garden, and we've already seen some stunning stuff here. Uleli, and bonus some stunning things. Yeah, fun fact, guys, like Kaya, we love magazines. So Tata Walapa is always getting magazines, and yeah, he enjoys like finding inspo from a magazine. Like right now, he saw this, and you guys know what is Nali. What is this thing called? Huh? What's it called? The cabinet, a glass. So he saw this, and he's like, "Oh wow, he can find some inspo on like how to set it up, what to keep in it." So yeah. So that's that. And then we're going to at home. Oh, I also got some cute flowers for the new kitchen. Yeah. So we went to at home because these like the old ones that I have. Ditching those old vase. So we went to look for a nice vase for the kitchen. Like there's a little corner by the sink where we're gonna put flowers in a vase. And then he came past this. This is actually a diffuser. Lavi?
Yeah.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a Cypress diffuser. It was andifuna nokuyithethi andifuna nokuyibiza khanifunda because if bengihamba ngedwa angeke, but it's cute, I guess it looks cute. So let me just open it. Ngumunqo. I'm sure you guys have noticed that about me. The price, but that's when but it's cute. Oops. Okay, vulwa kanje. Hey, we love you, Siyabonga.
Yeah.
And like this. Hi, wena.
What's happening?
Ubuye.
Yeah.
And like this. And voila. You have a diffuser. Yeah, 500.
Oh,
Cute.
Sala inhle qha.
Inhle she.
Sukha.
Ooh.
Dine taste ingxaki yam.
And unayo expensive, ne?
Yeah, so it's a taste of nice things.
Nice. And then you got 3 vases. They were on special, so I was like definitely getting them. The first one is the green one from $350 to 280, guys, 279. I thought it was a steal. So yeah, how stunning. It's also gonna go in one of the corners, a kitchen. And then the second one also on special. Actually, won't get my vans. There was actually like a huge sale at home. So most of these were on special. And they got nice stuff. Yeah, well, this is the second one. This one. So these 2 will be for Ideco. Let me just show you guys. What would I see that you? Oh, that's all you need. Do you want it here or here? I think we can put it down here and then put the enya on top of it. Yes.
Beautiful eye level.
Yes. And then maybe that one can go on top. And then a stunning vase. This was also on sale as well, from 400 Rand to 300 Rand. So yeah, these are nice. And then I'm just gonna cut up my flowers. I'll find a corner. I'm gonna put that in this corner. Here, or here, the camera here, by the tab, but yeah. This will be either this corner here. Stunning. So yeah, I think that's about it. Are you coming down? That's it. So let us now. We'll quickly shoot content and then you're gonna shoot content now. Ooh, it's in your week. Thank you. We're just gonna shoot some content and then yeah, and then I think we'll also do like a sit down. Ne? Was that right for a sit down? We're not sure. But yeah, we were also thinking of going out, but we're not sure about that because weather's not looking too great, so maybe we'll have an indoor night. But yeah.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Uzothatha that other one.
Which
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then take slow. Yeah. Slow and go. Take, but don't pause. Go. slow is just to go slow, but don't pause.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Too slow.
Oh.
Just go, but ungayiti. That's all. Okay, that is it normal way. Because
keep it.
How we keep it, no.
Okay.
Come in, delete it a bit.
Okay.
Now. Okay. Go. Okay.
That was fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you can slowly dip, just like, and then up.
Slowly.
Like, here's my slow.
So
So it's
okay.
yes. Okay.
Okay.
As long as you try.
Okay.
Yeah. It is.
Was it ready then?
Yeah. Okay. Good. Up. Cheek. Done.
Done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay guys, we are now packing the fridge and yeah, so for now, we're just taking the stuff that we were using in the makeshift kitchen and moving it here first and then packing that, and then I don't know if it's today or tomorrow, then we'll start moving like the big stuff that's in the other room. We have a lot of dishes actually. And I can't believe for the past 2.5 months we've only been like using the bare minimum. Got that what's in the other room, another like storage room that we kept all the stuff in. There's like tons and tons of glasses, tons and tons of plates. I don't know, like I'm still trying to think like where do I want everything. So still just a process. So my husband and I said we'll sit down and we'll just see if it's okay. Where do we want plates? Where do we want glasses, the mugs and stuff like that. But yeah. guys. I'm coming on our way to church, and we are on time. Actually, church started 9:30, and it's only 9:20, and it's literally like 5 minutes away. We're going to a City Hill. Yeah, it's called City Hill Church in Hillcrest. So yeah. I'm so tired. Isola, we slept at like 12. Yeah. 12, trying to sort out the kitchen, and it's still as I literally just did the grocery cupboard or pail. That's how like hectic it was, and I was throwing away stuff. And then today we're gonna decide where are we putting what is this, like the plates and stuff. So yeah, more packing today. I was just saying more packing today as well, but we're also going to actually we don't have groceries. This week has been so bad. I think basically like out so often, like it's not good. So then we're just gonna do like ironing food, like we just need some meat, and then yeah, so I think that's just about it. And I think we'll go out for breakfast as well, because we had planned to go out, Izola, remember, and then things happened. But yeah, hopefully today we'll try and go out, have some quality time over lunch or brunch. So we'll see, maybe after church at Kalasiyoja, and then we'll go grocery shopping. But yeah. Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.
How much did I
feeling. So every time we get the show, it's I hope not. How do they keep it down?
It's so hard. Usually my co-host is asking another for what lunch.
That's literally right.
I am collapsed, but I'm just saying. You usually don't.
Spoiling. Yeah, so even Nalena, maybe bad for as a novice. Because even though the takeaway cappuccinos, they're not like boiling. Yummy, yummy. Tastes real good. It's all the sense imagine the day after since the campaign. And some soap. Those are also nice. And I like that it's textured, Diabo. And then lepa and zanzi? How's about that? You like that one?
I think it gives it like a nice. What's the fingerprints of?
Your project.
Yebo. Le project uzokhalisa abantu balefike apha abanye besithi hayibo sino ndubi. Kanizosenzelani nathi?
Kawuzothini?
Kanizosenzelani nathi?
Nathi sifuni
kitsch. Then end up as a kitchen design.
No, but you are, Shane. You are. It's looking so good.
You get the vision now.
Hey.
Your whole mind.
Ngeke nganento yongayiboni nje hayi ndiyibona ngoku.
Space. Angayisondeli nje apho phandle. Oh, all right, kanje.
I think it's too much white. It's looking a bit whitish. That's looking good.
But I like the theme. I wanted it to be white.
Open the bullet papers.
I think I want to keep them like this. You know what's up, Ezra? And see how that's gonna look.
Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. state the facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am in a forever or never type of mood. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made.